So if at all you have some leftover rice and you do not have a microwave, this is the perfect recipe. We are going to be making some fried rice that you can have for breakfast or brunch or even dinner. And with me here, I have my ingredients. I have some salt. Of course, you'll need some leftover rice. And the hack about this rice is before you try out this recipe, make sure you put it in the fridge. Ndivyo iachane moja moja. As you can see, it's very single grained. I have some margarine, can also use butter. I have some coriander leaves, some capsicum, some carrots, my onion and garlic. I have some seasoning, and you can also use any other seasoning that you prefer. I just ran out of my seasoning, so I have some chicken masala with me, and it actually tastes better than beef masala. I have some sesame seeds, and these are completely optional. And finally, I have my cooking oil. And without further ado, let's get started. This is another simple recipe, and I'll start by going in with just about less than half a teaspoon of cooking oil, and that's to help our margarine not to burn. Then I'll add in my margarine. And for the vegetables, you can add any other vegetable that you may prefer. Carrots and capsicum is what I had. You can also use oil instead of margarine, but I just wanted some more flavor. And I'm going to let this cook till it's almost turning brown. So this is what I wanted. You can smell the margarine in the air. I'll go in with my garlic as well as my onions. And this is a very quick recipe. It doesn't take long to cook because everything is already cooked. We are just heating it up. Then once you can smell the garlic in the air, we are ready to go in with our carrots. And I still want them crunchy, so I'm not going to be cooking them for long. Then, since my rice already has salt, I'm going to season these vegetables with some salt, kiasi. Then I'm also going to season it with some of my spices. Then finally, I'll go in with my rice. So I have another vegetable rice, the Chinese way, that includes an egg and also some soy sauce. You can check that out. I'm going to leave it at the end. Lakini ya leo pasta because we are also hungry. So since the pan is already hot, we do not want to keep this on the heat for very long because mchele pia iko moja moja, so it's being heated up very fast, and just like that, this should be ready. So the purpose of kuweka mchele kwa fridge is so that isishikane once you start frying it, and just like that, this is ready. So I'll switch this off. Then remember, we had some coriander leaves. I'll toss in a few. Then I also had some sesame seeds. I'm going to garnish with that as well. And that's it. And finally, you've seen that is such an easy recipe, and you can see the importance of putting your rice in the fridge. Haijashikana at all. And this is just normal kawaida rice. You can hear how crunchy the vegetables are. No tongue. This is so good. You've seen that's such an easy recipe. It comes together in about 3 or so minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. If you have leftover rice, try this recipe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.